Fortress Brokerage Solutions would like to invite you to check out a new resource on our dashboard under the Digital Advertising Resources. To access this page, you'll log in, visit Sales and Marketing, Digital Advertising Resources. Once here, you'll notice three options from the quick links. We have social media marketing posts, which we'll explore in a second, template email campaigns, which will be coming soon, and marketing flyers and material, which are downloadable resources for you to use. As for the social media marketing posts, we felt it'd be simple to provide you an easy way to publish content on your social media channels, whether Facebook, YouTube, or Instagram. You can simply access the various posts and filter by categories as to what you're looking to post. For example, life insurance. This post specifically, you would just select from the arrow. It'll show you what the post will look like. If this is something you're interested in, you can download the image and copy the post text. Hashtags if you feel like you want to post hashtags in addition, but mainly just the image and the copy post text. What this will do is it will copy the post text to your clipboard and it'll download the image into your files computer. Once you access the social media page, Facebook for example, and you create the post, you'll just simply upload the image from your downloads and just paste the text that was copied to your clipboard. It's as simple as that. Come back to our dashboard, navigate through all the various posts that we have, and feel free to schedule posts as far into the future as you'd like. Thank you for taking the time to view this video, and we hope that this resource helps you.